Team 80's race is done, and now we're running the state ranking. Once again, last of 10 at all. For Team 21, 22, 23, 24, and 25. To start with the state ranking. Also reading the race ranking, Thank you.